forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, ja. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, That Mr. TV, and welcome back to another house hunting video. Now today we are in the parish of St. Anne in the heart of Ocho Rios, and today we're going to be showing you a new development coming soon called Milford Ridge. Now, if you guys are familiar with Happy Cove, which we do have on our channel, I'm going to link that video below. The development of Happy Cove that was done a few years ago. These developers, Happy Cove are the same developers that are developing these new units of Milford Ridge. Before we get into the video, disclaimer guys, we do not work with any developers or agents. We don't get paid to show you these. We're not advertising these on behalf of anybody. We hold an unbiased view. Please do your research and do diligence before you make any purchases. Guys, there are some horror stories out there of people who have purchased new developments and things are not going according to plan. We are going to be doing a video on that very soon. So even though we do show these new developments, be careful. People are out there being burned, and it's not every development, of course, but I think it's important that we do note that and make you guys aware. Okay, as usual, we always like to show you the drive, so you can see we're in the heart of Ocho Rios now, just driving past Mystic Ridge. This development is literally opposite Ocho Rios Country Club. So if you know where Ocho Rios Country Club is, it's literally opposite that on the main road on Milford. Literally 2 minutes away from that is Happy Cove. So the same developers of this new development, Milford Ridge. This development will comprise of 3 different types of units. The Maison, which is a duplex. These come in 3 bedrooms. There's the Maisonette, which is a quadplex and quadplex. They will come in 2 and 3 bedrooms, and then the Palais, which are condominiums. They will come in 1, 2, and 3 bedroom. There are 3 bedroom penthouses and 1 bedroom penthouses. They also come in studios as well. So studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom condominiums. Some of the amenities at this new development, Milford Ridge, include swimming pool and clubhouse. Guys, if you would like any further information, all the information will be at the end of the video. Who to contact, the website, etc. at the end of the video. Guys, please remember, this is just a very basic overview that we're giving you. We don't go into too much detail. If you want any more information, please wait until the end of the video with all the content. Mm.